Here is the problem of the new switch. As you can see, I'll start with the passenger window. So down, window goes down. Up, window goes up. Rear, down, window goes down. Up, window goes up. The problem is the driver's side window, which is the most used, is backwards. At the moment, the window is up. If I pull up on the switch, the window goes down. If I push down on the switch, the window goes up. It's backwards. Holding it down 6 seconds to reset does nothing. Again, up is down, and down is up. It's backwards and there is no way to correct it.